Okay, so we're going to go back to the library database and we're going to go up here, type in something remotely like library, and then we can head over here. Eventually here to the left at the top you can see CWU library. I'll just click on that. We're going to go back into the databases and I'm going to show you how to find articles that talk about scientific writing and what scientific writing is. And you can use these for your annotated bib and the final project. So go into the databases. You should be familiar with this from the last video that showed you how to access scientific articles in the database. Except this time I'm going to show you a different database that again will take you to articles about scientific writing, what scientific writing does, what it looks like, why it is the way it is. More of a study about, the writing itself and the communication process that surrounds that field and discipline. So ultimately, you're going to go to JSTOR. It's at the very bottom. And JSTOR is a really popular humanities database. So come down here. This is an advanced search. So you could type in very specific stuff. I'll do a few different things here. Write in the sciences and you're going to see 1 million results, which is a lot. But for the annotated bib in the final project, you're working on a question about how science writing functions, what it looks like in your particular discipline. So if you're a biologist, you're trying to figure out, what does writing in biology, look like? Why does it look like that? What are all of the things that shape it, influence it, control it? And these are articles that will help you do that. You need a couple of these for your bib, your annotated bib assignment. So you can see, look, a variety of different articles. Just be careful with some of the dates. Some of these articles are very old. I would say anything 20 years old is probably, as old as you want to go. So just keep that in mind. It's anything, well below 2000, you might want to be hesitant on. That doesn't mean there aren't still good articles in the 90s. But just be careful, look for current material if you can. And you only need a couple scholarly articles about scientific writing for this project. So I'm going to type in a different term, scientific writing, just to show some different results. And you'll see that actually cut the number in half from 1,300,000 to 700,000. And again, you can see some of these dates are a little old. That doesn't mean they can't still be useful or helpful in some shape or form. Another thing to remember is, some of these articles, they have works cited pages, references that you can use to locate other articles, right? So think about works cited and reference pages as sort of this intertextual, yellow brick road. Oh yeah, you can cite every source correctly and you can send it somewhere as well if you want. So you can see JSTOR gives you a cite this item and it allows you to put it into 3 most popular styles, although you may not be using those styles. Some of you are using APA. So again, hopefully this will help you locate some articles specifically about scientific writing and how it functions. If you need any more help, just let me know.